Hey everybody, I want to welcome you back to my channel. And I also want to say, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe. Make sure that you're subscribed so that you're entered into my monthly contest that takes place on the 1st of every month. Also, you can be notified when I go live or I upload a video. And please like this video if you enjoy it. Also, I had mentioned in a previous video that I do have like 5 Bibles left. They are the New King James Version. If you're interested in receiving one, please email me. I put my email up on the screen. So if you are interested in one, just email me with your address and your name, and I will get that shipped out to you. Like I said, I only have 5 left, so I'm going to give them out to the first 5 people that respond. So, yeah. In this video, you know, I hear a lot about people talking about queen this, queen that, and she's a queen. And it seems like in this day and age, we totally have that word. We've taken that word and we've totally twisted it up. And we're just handing out titles just to anybody. Yeah, let's go ahead and get on into this video. Alright, first, I'm so tired of hearing Nature Freak talking about his wives being queens. I don't even think this guy even knows the true definition of what a real queen is. Let's first start off with what a queen is not. Okay, we're gonna dive into what a queen is not. A queen would never allow herself to be abused mentally, physically, or spiritually. Lately, we have been just run down with the most classless women to look up to. We are reduced to having to look up to women like this. We're being taught that women like Nature Boy's wives or Beyonce, Cardi B, Nicki Minaj, or they're all our queens. But a queen don't allow herself to be laid out here all over the place like a piece of trash. Loud-mouthed women. How and when did we start to allow such a powerful word as queen to be so degraded? We even see these women on Instagram who, it's so obvious they have no respect for their bodies, and they have the nerve to call themselves queens, you know, and it's like, you're not even a queen. You don't even know what a real queen is. Because a real queen, they're going to have that self-respect. They're going to, when they walk in a room, they're going to command respect. Period. Nature Boy, your wives are not queens. They are trash. And they will continue to be trash until they get away from you and they learn what real respect, real self-respect truly is. Because they are mentally and physically abusive to one another. And they allow you to degrade them in the worst way possible. You know, it's just like with these female rappers and all these female celebrities. They're not your queens. They are trash. and degrade and defile their own bodies. You know, these people are all demonic and are all of their father Satan. These days, we lack any real queens, and the ones we have had or have now are the very few. You know, we don't have any real women hardly left out there that we can truly call a real queen. But the very few ones that we do have left, we don't pay them the respect they deserve. We don't. Now, Nature Boy, he loves to look up the definition of words to us like we're dumb, like him, like he is. So let me look up what a queen is for that guy, so that he can learn what the definition of what a real queen is. Oh, first, a queen is a leader. At its very core, a queen is a leader to her people. Being a leader requires a level of self-awareness. Now, Nature Boy, does any of your wives have those traits? Or is she a leader? Or does she follow after you? Picking your lice out of your hair. Picking your nose when you have a booger up in there. Picking the wax out of your ears. Fixing your nasty hair like you're some king. Now let's move along. Number 2. A queen communicates with clarity and confidence. All of your wives communicate. They can't communicate. They don't speak with confidence or clarity. In fact, all of your wives speak like babies. You have them babyfied to where they can't even speak as a young woman. They have to speak like a baby. I mean, even when they do talk like a baby, because you degraded them to that point, then you get on to them and say that you don't want a child. But you have degraded them to being babyfied. Number 3. A queen practices humility. There's a fine line between communicating with confidence versus communicating with arrogance. And Nature Freak, your wives speak with a lot of arrogance like you do. They sound just like you, like they know it all. They look at us like we're stupid. And they are the enlightened ones. And the way that they just talk down to everyone, and they disrespect themselves as women, and they disrespect the other women there. You have all of those women, and they're coming against each other because you are putting them against each other. And you're enjoying it. And that's the sick part about it. Number 4, a queen will preserve. Now, a real queen is able to face struggles, and she's able to overcome those struggles. Number 5, a queen takes full ownership of herself. She's not going to allow any man to take ownership of her, degrade her, tell her that she is less than. Last but not least, a queen is the best version of herself. A queen is a woman who is living the best version of herself. A queen is someone who has fully found herself and embraced it. She speaks to herself and others with kindness and love. Does your wives, Nature Boy, do they speak with each other with love and kindness? Or are they always coming against each other, fighting for your attention? Do they have self-love, really? I mean, you guys go around saying, I love myself 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to the point that it's almost nauseating and it makes me want to vomit. But do they really love themselves? I don't think so. A real queen, and I'm just going to be honest, a real queen, she has class. She's beautiful on the inside. So much so that it makes her glow on the outside. She is humble, kind, and holds herself to a higher standard. She respects herself and protects her soul. Now let's just take a look at some of the very rare queens that we have and have had. And this is just a few. We've had a lot. We still have quite a few out there, but we don't pay those real queens the respect that they deserve. And that's sad, because they're out there, but we just don't see what we see the light in them, but we don't respect that. We don't hold that to a, and instead we want to hold these celebrities and these no good women, and I hate to say that, but it's the truth. We hold them to a higher standard. And that's sad. These right here are the women that we should be holding to that high standard of queen. They deserve that respect. They deserve that title. Even I have Queen Elizabeth in this, and even Queen Elizabeth, as evil as I might think she is, she still carries herself with a certain amount of class and dignity, and is humble. So these are our queens. These are who we should be looking up to. You guys have a beautiful day. Until next time, God bless.